5 Best Alarm Clocks. Number 5. Sonic SPB 500SS. Turbocharged loud, vibrating alarm clock. Shakes you awake with powerful bed shaker. Adjustable extra loud alarm. Built-in pulsating alert lights. Adjustable volume and tone. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. iHome IBT28GC. Send digital audio wirelessly. 5-color LED color changing cabinet. Display with 4 color modes. For wake-up modes, let you set the mood. FM radio or buzzer at separate times. Program up to 6 favorite FM stations. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. Sony ICFC1PJ. Time projection with adjustable view and angle. Fall asleep or wake to 5 different soothing nature sounds. USB port for charging smartphones. Fall asleep to the radio via the programmable sleep timer. Automatic daylight savings time adjustment. Projection display has 4 positions. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. Electro Home Projection. Listen to your favorite music. Advanced self-set technology automatically displays. Auto adjusts for daylight savings. Wake to radio, buzzer, time projection. Comes with a backup battery. Item weight, 1.23 pounds. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. Philips HF3500 or 60 Wake Up. 90-day no-hassle money-back guarantee from Philips. Light therapy lamp for improving your sleep. Energy and well-being cord length 59 or 70 inch. Light alarm clock for a more natural wake-up. Tap to snooze alarm clock. Beep function ensure you wake up on time. Please check the description for detail and price.